Hello, and welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of managing notifications in the Mastodon mobile app. Whether you're looking to reduce distractions or customize your alert preferences, this video will show you how to take control of your notification settings efficiently. First, open the Mastodon app on your mobile device. Once you are inside, look for the settings icon at the top right and tap on it. Then tap on Username your account to access your account-specific settings. Then scroll down and select the Notifications option. Here, you'll find various types of notifications such as mentions and replies, boosts, favorites, and more. Finally, to disable any unwanted notifications, simply toggle off the switch next to the notification type you wish to mute. This will prevent alerts for that specific activity from appearing on your device. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.